American Flags Express was given the opportunity to restore a historic 48-star flag which had been in our customer's family for generations. The bottom stripe had been damaged beyond repair, and we were tasked with replacing the stripe with a close match. With thoughtful planning and expertise, our seamstresses' color and fabric matched the replacement stripe. While trying to maintain the majority of the original flag components, they carefully extracted the stripe from the existing header and attached the new fabric into the original canvas. Honor the past by restoring an old flag, or begin a proud new tradition with a high-quality American flag, 100% made in the USA. The family was overjoyed with the results, citing, "With the family flag restored to its original condition, it will continue to be a source of pride for our families for the next 100 years."